Hello, I'm Dan. I am a vet. Vet is short for veterinary. Every day I take care of animals. My patients are dogs, cats, guinea pigs, hamsters, rabbits, birds, and others. I do a lot to maintain their health. Vaccinations and teeth cleaning, blood tests and x-rays. My patients have many different problems with their health, and I help them every time. What could happen to your pet? Anything. Fleas, broken legs, broken wings, toothache, earache, or other illnesses. Well, my patients are waiting for me. Let's go. Hello, everybody. Oh, my first patient is coming in. Hello, Tom. Hello, Dr. Dan. What's wrong with your cat? I don't know, but he can't walk. There's something wrong with his leg. What is your cat's name? His name is Lucky. How old is Lucky? Lucky is 2 years old. Okay, let me have a look. I'll take an x-ray. Does it hurt? Of course not. Look at the picture. You are right. Lucky has broken his leg. I'll bandage it. Well, Tom, come back in 2 weeks and we'll check the leg. Okay, thank you, Doctor. Bye, Tom. Now it's Mr. Wilson's turn. Mr. Wilson has a dog called Sam. Sam is a very good dog. Sam is very clever. But there's something wrong with Sam. Oh yes, Sam has a toothache. It hurts him very much. He couldn't sleep at night. Dr. Dan asks Mr. Wilson not to worry. Mr. Wilson is putting Sam on the table. Dr. Dan is examining the dog. Sam really does have a problem with his teeth. Dr. Dan is cleaning the teeth. Then he gives an injection and gives Sam some medicine. He also gives Mr. Wilson some pills and tells him to give Sam a pill twice a day with food. He's waiting to see Mr. Wilson and Sam again in 5 days to check that everything is okay. Mr. Wilson thanks Dr. Dan and leaves the room. Oh, look at this sad boy. This is Jack. What is he holding? Ah, he's holding his rabbit. Its name is Puffy. If Jack is going to Dr. Dan, something must be wrong with his pet. And as you can see, Jack's rabbit has an earache. Poor rabbit. Jack knows what to do, and he's putting Puffy on the table. Dr. Dan is a very good vet. He will help Jack and Puffy. Dr. Dan examines Puffy and then gives Jack some drops. Jack must put 2 drops into Puffy's ear 3 times a day. Jack and Puffy will come back to Dr. Dan in a week. As you see, Dr. Dan has a lot of work. People love their pets and want them to be healthy. Remember these words and phrases. What is wrong? Fleas. Broken leg. Broken wings. Toothache. Earache. What to do? Have a look. Clean the teeth. Give an injection. Take an x-ray. Give medicine. Bandage. Give drops. Now let's try to remember all these words and practice them.